All secrets for Christian channel makers comes down to one principle: process in progressive way. This is what I believe, this is what I teach, and it looks something like this. I'm not able to teach this in 4 minutes or less because I have been using this formula for my private clients, and when I'm teaching in seminars it takes me 3 days. But at least you will have a subject in your mind how you should do YouTube videos if you want to reach process in progressive way. This is 3 months process in progressive way where you reach 1,000 subscribers in 3 months. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. And when you go a process, when you grow the process is horizontal line. That's where you are in the process, in the wilderness, going through the wilderness. When you go through the wilderness, the same time develops your effectiveness, and this is what I call process in progressive way. I don't know where, at what point you are gonna reach this one, but this is guaranteed if you do as I said and showing in my videos, actually step by step daily. What I'm doing is day 1, and you have seen on my videos my day 1, you are gonna see 90 videos here, because I'm showing you by example 5 subscribers, and you can see how I got 5 subscribers doing this, and what I'm doing this, what I'm posting this, what formulas, what formulas, principles of Jesus. And this is how you go up, up, up. Nobody goes this way. This is not how it happens in reality, if you are thinking about reality. Dear pastors, ministers, missionaries, entrepreneurs, you have greatest idea in the world. You have to put this greatest idea in the world, authentic idea, even this is super idea, God's given idea. You still have to put in a process to develop your YouTube channel. This is how YouTube looks at your channel. Your channel is growing up, or you just randomly posting some videos and you don't know what you are doing because you are not applying tags, you don't apply keywords, and you don't make titles in a way that are searchable for YouTube and Google. This is what I'm doing here. I'm showing you by example how to do this. Maybe you don't want monetize, maybe you just want grow more church members. Can you imagine how your church would look in 3 months if you have, let's say, 300 followers right now, members in the church? I'm not promising that in a 3-month period you will gonna have 1,000 members. No, but what I promise that your church member number will gonna grow progressively, because when you apply YouTube process in progressive way, you spread out news out there locally, and I will teach you how to do this, and the people will hear what you are doing and they will be aware of you. It's the same to your business. If you are building Christian business locally or on internet, if you have this entrepreneurial idea, you have to put your idea in a process that grows up, not only unknowingly throwing something on a YouTube. This will go down, because in nature nothing stays on the same level. God created nature to grow, be fruitful, or to go down. You have to be fruitful, and I wish you to be. In Jesus' name. Watch me on the next video. Be blessed.